Google temporarily disables Take a Message on older Pixel phones after privacy concerns. Google has quietly disabled its Take a Message feature on some older Pixel phones after a troubling privacy issue came to light. The decision follows multiple user reports suggesting that the feature was unintentionally sharing microphone audio with callers, even after calls were sent to voicemail. For Pixel users who rely on Google's smart calling features, this discovery has raised serious concerns about privacy, transparency, and how AI-powered phone tools behave behind the scenes. What is Take a Message, and why do people use it? Take a Message is part of Google's Call Assist suite on Pixel phones. It's designed to act as an AI-powered voicemail assistant. When you can't answer a call, Google Assistant politely tells the caller that you're unavailable, records their message, and then automatically transcribes it so you can read it later. On paper, it's a helpful and modern solution, especially for people who get a lot of spam or unknown calls. Instead of listening to voicemails, you can quickly glance at the transcript and decide whether the call matters. But over the past few months, users began noticing something wasn't quite right. The bug that sparked alarm. Several Pixel owners started reporting a strange and concerning behavior. When Take a Message was triggered, their phone's microphone appeared to remain active. And worse, their own background audio might be getting transmitted to the caller. This wasn't supposed to happen. The feature is designed to reject the call and only capture the caller's message. It should never record or share audio from the phone owner's side. However, users noticed the green microphone indicator, the system signal that shows when the mic is active, turning on during voicemail. That visual cue immediately raised red flags. Reports across multiple Pixel models. What made the issue more alarming was its apparent scale. According to user reports shared on Reddit and spotted by tech publications like 9to5 Google, the problem wasn't limited to a single phone model. Reports suggest the bug affected Pixel phones ranging from the Pixel 4 series all the way up to the Pixel 10. Users from multiple regions, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Ireland, and Australia, described nearly identical behavior. In some cases, users claimed callers could hear ambient sounds, conversations, TV audio, or other background noise after the call was supposedly sent to voicemail. Why this is a serious privacy issue? This kind of behavior crosses into serious privacy territory. Microphone access is one of the most sensitive permissions on any smartphone. Users expect complete clarity and control over when their microphone is active and who can hear it. Even if the bug was unintentional, the idea that personal audio could be shared without user consent is deeply concerning, especially when AI features are involved. It also raises broader questions about how complex call handling systems interact with device hardware and how difficult it can be to detect subtle bugs in real-world usage. Google's response. Google has acknowledged the issue and confirmed that its team is actively investigating the reports. While the company hasn't publicly detailed the technical cause, it has taken immediate action to limit potential risk. As a precaution, Google has disabled the Take a Message feature on older Pixel devices, specifically the Pixel 4 and Pixel 5 series. This move suggests Google believes the issue may be more prevalent or harder to resolve on earlier hardware. For newer Pixel models, the feature remains available, but Google advises users to stay cautious until a permanent fix is rolled out. What Pixel users should do right now, until Google releases a confirmed fix, the safest option is to disable Take a Message manually. This ensures there's no chance of unintended microphone activity during voicemail handling. Here's how to turn it off. Open the phone app on your Pixel. Tap the menu icon in the top corner. Go to Settings. Select Take a Message under Call Assist. Toggle the feature off. This doesn't affect standard voicemail, spam blocking, or call screening. Only the AI voicemail assistant itself. The bigger picture, AI convenience versus trust. This incident highlights a growing tension in modern smartphones. AI-powered features promise convenience, efficiency, and smarter interactions. But they also require deeper system access. When something goes wrong, even unintentionally, it can undermine user trust very quickly. Google has built a strong reputation for Pixel-exclusive call features, and issues like this don't erase that progress. But they do reinforce how important transparency, rapid response, and user control are, especially when microphones and personal data are involved. What happens next? Google is expected to patch the issue through a future phone app update or system update. Until then, disabling the feature is the best course of action for privacy-conscious users. As AI continues to play a bigger role in everyday phone tasks, incidents like this serve as a reminder. Smart features must also be safe features. For now, Pixel users should stay alert, review their settings, and keep their devices updated, while Google works behind the scenes to make sure a helpful feature doesn't turn into a privacy risk.